and look up a nice local barbecue, because we're staying kind of like probably a mile, 2 miles outside of town, because it's not going to be crazy in the negatives today. Probably like 29 the minimum. I can always nip out for a little joint, or you know, guys, because those, when we go out to restaurants, of course they're gonna be playing music there, so they tend to not like that, and YouTube copyrights your video then. So we may end up going in, checking out the place, maybe having a pint or two while we wait, or however, and then take it back to the hotel like we did yesterday. All right, fella. So, yeah. Yeah, so there's a guy there, you know, pedaling. Wish I could give him something, but I don't know if he'll take a raw piece of sausage from Rita. I'd rather share that sausage with someone who will appreciate it more. Or I don't know, what's your opinion, guys? If the guy's dumpster diving, well, that's the thing, sometimes, you know, there was like a little work thing there, so maybe at that dumpster, maybe people throw out pretty good things out of their lunch, so maybe that's like his little go-to spot. Alright, so we got a little bit of an incline, guys, but pretty long. Chouteau Island. Is what we're climbing right now. So I believe that's for road traffic, and this here is for walkers and cyclists. Yeah. Just that peak. Yeah, it's a bit of like a sort of a constructed creek here, because it's so straight. with all the rocks there. Or maybe they just use it for something special. But yeah, it's just so straight. It just seems like it's constructed by something or someone. And yeah, see, there's like, gonna take us all the way down, and then it's gonna make us come back around, climb that little levee, and continue on the trail there. You guys see that trail? Yeah, see this trail up here? I wish there was like a little there was a little exit here they would build. And yeah, it's gonna take me up the creek here. So I guess we're gonna feel a little bit of that western, because yeah, we're gonna kind of go north, but northeast a little bit, so maybe not as bad, but we're gonna feel that we are certainly gonna feel that westernly again. All right, guys, so I don't want to speed up crazy style here because I don't know what the exit here. See these separation bumps? See, already, like, I didn't want to hit that too hard. See there? There. Ah. So we are leaving Chouteau Island, guys. I think, yep, open from dusk till dawn. Then yeah, see, this is like a little town in here. There's even like a little thing called the Canal Motel in there. Closed dusk to dawn. So yeah, now, oh guys, can you feel that or hear that? Man, if we had to do that the whole way through, we would have to budget a lot many more days.